I got you covered, man. Buy a new one. Buy a better one.
That was a dumbest, literally. And then he called me a dumb mother. You simple motherfucker, you flew a drone in the garage. Well, what the f?
I didn't trust it. I didn't want you flying.
You didn't trust it, so you knocked it out of the air into your car?
Yeah, I kind of wanted to see if the collision avoidance worked. It doesn't.
How would what? Yeah, like they said you can't just knock it out of the
Look
air.
what he was butthurt. My Mustang got fucking...
$10,000 drone!
Look at this. Scratched it for life, pal.
I
With your 10-cent loan. Doesn't have collision
I
avoidance.
didn't scratch you. Everyone, I'm glad I had a witness. If we were by ourselves...
You say any more, but just bury you right here, right underneath the drone. Right underneath the drone, you're going to get buried.
Just for
No,
catching
this
everyone
was a
off.
brand new drone. It didn't even get one car video. I flew it for 2 seconds. I took it off. He said, does it have collision avoidance? And threw his hat in it like this, and it goes boom. And then it looks like this.
I thought,
Hey! Don't throw that near my cars.
Hey,
Accurate.
I just want to say this. This wasn't the video I was planning on making today.
Yeah,
And I had a lot of
go
editing
for it.
because, yeah, there's a lot of F-bombs that were dropped during the making of this, not making this video. You literally knocked my drone out of the sky into your car and you blame me about it.
So just so everyone's aware, collision avoidance is for stationary objects only.
Yeah.
Not flying hats.
Yeah, it doesn't mean it has rocket avoidance or obstacle projectile avoidance like this thought it meant. He thought he could literally throw his hat at my drone and it would avoid it. And then
Well, before you decided to fly over all the cars, I wanted to make sure that the thing wasn't going to...
how did you make out? You wanted to make sure we're
Motherfucker didn't avoid anything.
You hit it. Your hat got caught in propellers.
I threw the
And
hat at the thing, it should have avoided it.
I don't even know what to say to you, dude. Well, good news is that the paint on the Mustang is extremely durable
Extremely durable.
and there's no scratches.
It was.
I mean,
Now there ain't.
listen, there was a lot of F-bombs flying in here.
Yeah, there was a lot. Somebody's about... I was about ready to make a new son.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Well, everyone, I did find the new drone after that crazy few minutes with my dad. We found one at Best Buy, luckily, so we have it for tomorrow. But here's the old one. I'll show you right here. I wish we would have got this whole thing on camera and you guys would have saw our reaction. It was just, I couldn't believe my dad did what he did. But so here's the old one. Show you the gimbal here. It's all jacked up. Obviously, it's completely destroyed. Because my dad threw a hat at it and then it hit the Mustang. But we got a new one here, so we'll be good to go. Like this video if you think my dad's ridiculous.